Hello YouTube, this is GeoModel Railroader. Welcome to ATS. Today we're going to be starting a new company and beginning our countdown to Utah series. So let's begin. First we'll start a new profile for our company. A picture. That looks like a good one. And we choose our truck. We'll drive this Kenworth T680 today. Our company's logo. The company's name will be ATS Industries. Since we'll be managing several trucking companies besides this one. Now we'll set up the keyboard. Simple automatic. Now that's done. We'll pick our starting location. This will start in Los Angeles. Then we'll work our way from there. Going to either of the states in chronicle order or the way that they were installed in ATS. Welcome to American Truck Simulator. We wish you have a chance to experience your dream job of driving a truck. Your own transportation company is now open for business, but sadly you lack the money to buy a truck. Now you'll have to work for other companies as a driver for hire, or no, with a hired gun. The task is to safely deliver a load of cable to sell goods in Los Angeles. Your employer has provided you with a vehicle and will cover your expenses, but don't let anyone down and arrive on time. Okay, now we're in our lease truck at Buteman's Yard in Los Angeles. Let's start it up and let's get this load of cable delivered. Do the pole test. Cameras. Now we're ready to go. Now we're going to turn on the route manager. Put it out of the way, and we proceed out of the yard. Recruiting office is over there, but we'll head over there later after we drop this off and we have our first truck. Okay, we are right by the Santa Monica Pier and Santa Monica Beach, so let's turn out the yard. Let's rip up this hill in Santa Monica, and our destination is the sell goods yard just outside of our yard office in Los Angeles. Okay, we're at a traffic light, so we'll stop. Wait for him to go by, and when this light turns green, we're going to be turning onto the main road. Okay, and then we turn on our cruise control. And we use the brakes on this truck instead of using the Jake because we're driving through the city and Jake braking causes noise pollution. Plus, it's very nasty. Okay. Now we'll turn. Uh-oh. Careful. Whoops. That was unavoidable. But it does happen from time to time. You can get a ticket if you collide with stuff and you want to avoid that. Okay, we're almost to sell goods and we're going to drop this trailer off. Oop. It's stay below speed right here. Okay, we're almost there. Now we turn into the sell goods yard. Now comes the tricky part. We have to back into the dock. I'm going to show you how we do that. Okay, this trailer is going over to dock 3. So first, we do external view, then we pull forward all the way to the wall. Okay, we stop just before the wall, then we turn our emergency flashers on. Okay, rotate the camera a bit. And then you turn your wheel to the right. And then slowly turn your wheel to the left as you back up. And then you just straighten out a bit. And as the trailer enters the turning arc, move your truck back and forth to line up. And then you straighten out. And now comes the next part of the operation. You turn to the right again to line up with the parking spot, and then you have to straighten out the tractor. So as you pull into the parking spot, you're not going to crash into the wall. Okay, we are approaching the dock. This is dock 1 this time. So now we'll straighten out. Okay, trailer's almost lined up with the door. Now that we're in position, we turn the wheel to the right, straighten our trailer out, now we turn the wheel to center, now we go straight back. If this were a box van or a reefer, we have to perfectly line up with the dock, or we won't be in the correct position to unload this thing. Remember, with box vans and reefers, always line it up with the yellow stripes on the dock. But since we're hauling cables, we'll just leave this here. Now let's detach the trailer. Okay, not quite enough experience in order to get the first skill point, but we're working on it. With the completion of this mission, our yard office is unlocked. There it is. Not much, but it's home. As we progress, we're going to upgrade this building into a bigger facility so we can service 6 trucks. Pretty basic, not much, but it's a start. Unfortunately, we do not have a truck yet, so this is all we got right now. Now that we have our yard office, let's buy a truck. Right now the bank is locked, and that's the end of our video today. In the next installment, we're going to deliver our second load here in Los Angeles, and then we're going to buy our first truck. Fortunately, a smaller version of this T680 that we're driving. Then we're going to paint it up in company colors for union transfer. One of our companies. And then we're going to hire our first driver and give him a truck. Him or her a truck. So then, see them on railroad.